Hey everyone, today I'm going to go over my trade on UPXI and show you why I traded it. Now every morning before the market opens, I open up my pre-market scanners and I'm searching for stocks that have an abnormally large amount of volume. As you can see on these previous trading days, it barely trades anything until pre-market we get all this volume right here. Now what I'm looking for in pre-market is a strong upwards trend followed by a large consolidation period. All right, so that's the pre-market setup. What I'll also look for is on the daily chart. I want to look at the stock's history going back over the past several years and see if today's volume is going to exceed any other prior day's volume. So we have a large volume candle right here. That is about 33 million shares. And so far today, we have about 60 million shares. So as long as the current day's volume is exceeding any other day in the past, then we're good to go. So let's go back to the 1 minute chart. And what I like to do is just wait for the market to open and see if we can break above the pre-market highs. So the pre-market high was listed right here at $12. And about 4 minutes after the market open, we get that break of pre-market highs right here. So I jump in and I look to take profits somewhere in my anticipated target zone. Now, before I ever enter into a trade, I like to plan out where exactly I'm going to sell. And I listed that right here in the chat room with target number 1 being 1261, target number 2, 1382, and the last target 1619. Now, I personally like to sell everything at my target number 2 range, which is right here, 1382. So it's going to be the bottom of this target range. And that's exactly what I did. Okay, I planned out my trade beforehand. I stuck with it and executed it perfectly. In hindsight, could I have made more? Sure. But having that type of mindset of getting bummed out because of the coulda, woulda, shouldas is only going to make you underperform in the long term. Okay, the important thing is that you have a plan, stick to it, and move on to the next trade. So we'll see what we get tomorrow. Hope you all learned something. Thanks for watching.